What's going on, guys? Big Time 110 here, and today I want to talk to you guys about the Android Beta 2 from the Pixel ported to our Poco X3. So let's begin with the installation. So as you can see, I'm just gonna erase and format the phone, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we're gonna go back here and we're gonna wipe. So swipe to wipe, then we're gonna go back. We're actually gonna go and look for the files here. So if you go to your SD card, you should look for the Pixel 5 Beta 2. That's it right there. And also we're gonna add your recovery. So if you use Orange or TWRP, choose that. So I'm gonna choose Orange Fox Recovery. And we're gonna go ahead and let it do its thing. Now, it normally took about 10 minutes, guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the process so you don't have to wait for that. So let's go ahead and do that now. And don't forget, I'll have the links to the files in the description in case you guys want to check it out, you guys want to try it. All right, after installing that, you're gonna see that your recovery is gonna be installed next. As you can see, it says rebooting to recovery in 5 seconds. And now it's gonna be a fresh install recovery. So you're gonna press check there. We're gonna go ahead and do one last format just to make sure that we don't have anything going wrong. And then we're just gonna go ahead and reboot the system. Now this process here also takes some time, but again, I'm just gonna shorten the time. So you can see the ROM already booted. We have the Android Beta program here, and for whatever reason, I think the ambient sensor might not be working or whatever, or I don't know what it is, but it was just very dark. My camera couldn't really focus at the beginning until I turned on the lights, and that was one of the problems I was having. And also, one of the main issues we have here is that it does not connect to Wi-Fi. I don't know, it doesn't even turn on the Wi-Fi at all. So you're gonna see me here struggling to look for a Wi-Fi network and nothing's happening. So I decided to go with LTE. So let's go ahead and use my LTE to do the setup. As you can see here, it's gonna be checking on my info. Let's go ahead and do that. And we're gonna sign in real quick. So let me go ahead and do that, guys, real quick. Okay. Just a second. We're gonna restore from my backup already in the cloud. So let's choose that. Let's confirm with our screen lock. All right, and then we're just gonna fully restore everything that was there. We're not gonna choose and pick what we don't want. I want everything. All right, so go ahead and Google services. Let's go ahead and accept that. Okay. And then we're gonna accept that too. All right, so we're gonna choose Pixel imprint and pin. So once I did all that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna register our fingerprint. We're gonna just do it real quick, guys. Don't worry, I'm not gonna let you sit through the whole thing. But actually, I gotta tell you that it's really quick and fast and responsive, so that's a good thing. We're gonna go ahead and leave and get reminder here because we don't want to continue with the setup. We want to go into the desktop already. So, all right, I guess we're in the desktop. But before we get in, I think Google is taking a page from the OnePlus, where they make you kind of learn the gestures for the first time when you log into their phone. So as you can see, we have that here, and you see skip, but I would like a different option that says I already know how to use gestures and skip everything. But again, I like this. I like that they want to implement the gestures right from the beginning. Wow, that looks pretty dope right there. Let's turn off these lights. Wow, look at this. Everything looks nice and smooth and clean. And we don't even have that much bloatware either. But look at the little animations, guys. Look how that looks. I mean, trust me, in person it looks way better than through the camera. Wow, even the notification, the quick settings, everything looks nice and neat and organized. I am liking this. I'm digging it. Now let's see if we can connect to Wi-Fi once more, because I do want to restore and I do want to see, but again, Let me turn on the light real quick just to make sure that I can see everything and my camera could focus. All right, let me see if I could add my Wi-Fi manually. Yep, nothing. And that didn't work because I don't see no movement whatsoever or activity. I think it froze. So all right, let's go back. Okay, so we see the quick settings here. You know, hopefully after a restore, so everything probably it settles. But right now, I'm just experiencing a lot of little freezes and lag. That's probably because we just installed it, but okay. So let's try this one more time. Let's go to finish setup. I really want to connect to this Wi-Fi. No, I mean, I gave it some time. Anyways, let's move on. Let's go to see if the refresh rate is working. So as you can see, it says 90 frames per second and 90 hertz per second. This is because the Pixel 5, that's the refresh rate that it has. And let's see, I mean, you're familiar with the Pixel launcher. It has the Google Now feed on the left, and it's taking a long time to load because my LTE is not the best here. But it works. I mean, it works real good. Now, let's go back to the quick settings here, guys. I want to show you guys. Look how everything looks, guys. I actually do like this. The animations, you know, look at that. Just swipe stuff. All that stuff is really cool. And then the quick settings, I like it. And look at the little options on the bottom. You have a edit along with your power and settings. So let's go back to the network and internet. I need to see, there you go. That's the option I'm looking for. Wi-Fi, finally. Let's go see if it turns on. Why did it stay? Oh, see, there's the little lag again. Ah, that's annoying. Okay, let's go back. There's probably a problem with the Wi-Fi. You know, just look at that. Now it's just staying a little, like it's lagging a little bit. Okay, turn on the Wi-Fi. Let me see if I go to save networks and maybe I could just choose something. No, there's nothing here. It's all right. Let's go ahead and go back. Oh, we'll go back once this. There you go. Okay, let's go back again. And let's see here. Let's go back. And let's go ahead and explore the OS. I mean, we already know Wi-Fi is not working for me, so let's check this tab. Notifications. You have the bubbles, conversations, and you even have recently sent. So I like that. And look at this, guys. We get notification history. Now that's something I could get behind. I like that. How many times have you swiped all the notifications and saw something interesting? Many times. As you can see here, you have all these notification options, which I like, including your sensitive notifications here. You can even have a blink light. How cool is that? I like that. Okay, let's go to battery real quick. Okay, we get a redesigned battery menu, but it kind of has the same options here. Really nothing new. Okay, no worries. That's still good. I like the animations. Cool. All right, let's get out of here and go to storage real quick. See, this is what I was kind of interested in. It does recognize the internal storage as well as the SD card. That's cool because the Pixel doesn't. So I'm glad that the Android and whole it does. Under sound and vibration, literally everything's the same. I don't see anything different here. So let's just get out of here and go to display real quick. All right, we have what seems to be almost the same options as before. Okay, we got adaptive brightness, lock screen. Okay, you got your screen timeout, dark theme. You have a font size display. We got color. Oh, wait, I'm clicking there, but that's not a button. That's the button. There you go. So we have natural, boosted, and let's go ahead and click on saturate already and adaptive. Okay, let's go back here. We have smooth display. Automatically raises the refresh rate from 60 to 90 for some content. Let's go ahead and turn on increased touch sensitivity and the smooth display. And also let's turn on tap to wake. Okay, what else do we have here? I think that's it. Let's go ahead and go to wallpaper and style. Now that's in its own tab, so you could go directly there instead of going to display. So let's go ahead and check out the wallpaper, guys. Here we have all kind of wallpapers. You have the Mandalorian, you have all the textures, earth, and then we have the Come Alive, which I believe are the new ones. So let's go ahead and choose the different one. Let's get the other one that's there, that blue one. That one, let's just go ahead and set that. All right, let's go see what else we have here. Everything else is the same. Nothing really changes here. Okay, let's go to security real quick. So you can see Play system needs an update, but we do have the screen lock, pixel imprint, your smart lock, and your device admin apps, and I guess confirm SIM deletion, because I think the Pixel 5 has electric SIMs or eSIMs. If you go to privacy, this is something I like. You could turn off the access for your camera, your microphone, etc., so that no app can use it, or you could just choose the ones that you want to share it with. Same thing with the location. As you can see, it shows everybody or every app that's using it. We go to passwords, accounts, we just have these. I guess you can have your other apps. Let's go ahead and go to system. Yeah, let's go to system. Here we have gestures, we have the swipe notifications, quickly open your camera, and we have the system navigations. Unfortunately, we only get 2 options here, so we have to do what we got with what we have. So power menu, here we have the power assistant, so we could just use the assistant by holding the power button, but since I need to connect to Wi-Fi to download an update, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna skip this, and let's go ahead and go to, let's see here, let's go to about phone. As you can see, we are rocking Android S, and here it is. Here's the little Easter egg. I mean, I've seen this before. I don't think it's the right one, but as you can see, Android S, and you have the bill number and everything. So let's see this new wallpaper. As you can see, it has a little bit of animation to it. I like it. It's really nice and smooth, and it looks really dope. I like it a lot. And see, notification history, I like that. I actually do like that option there. But as you can see, guys, everything changes. Aesthetically, it looks better, but I'm still trying to get this Wi-Fi to turn on, but this thing won't work. Freaking Wi-Fi. And now it just froze. Ugh. Let me just get out of here real quick. Well, let me see the power menu. Let me see how that looks. Oh, I forgot I have the assistant, turn on. But let me just keep holding it. Maybe it comes out after. I want to see the power menu. Oh my goodness, it just turned off. Alright, well, so far, guys, what do you guys think? I mean, I like it. I just need Wi-Fi working. Without Wi-Fi, my phone does not work. Okay there. Let me go ahead and log it in real quick. As you can see, double tap is not working, even though we turned it on. Let me just try again. Nope, it's not working, guys. But we do have some home settings here. Let me see if we have any option here to turn it on. Nope, nothing. Yep, it's not working. Well, guys, I think I had enough of this ROM. I actually would like a working Wi-Fi here, but unfortunately it's not, so I cannot recommend it to nobody. I wouldn't even rock it myself without Wi-Fi. So guys, thanks so much for everything. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, guys, bye.